Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and creating the database file. First, make sure VSCode and the SQLite CLI are installed and reachable from your path. This lets extensions call the tool. Once done, install a SQLite extension in VSCode and reload the window so commands appear. Create or open a DB file in your workspace and save it. This anchors queries and the extensions explorer. You're now ready to connect VSCode to that database and run commands interactively. You'll now connect and run SQL. Open the SQLite extension panel, add a connection to the DB file you created, and pin it for quick access. Then open a new SQL file or an editor pane, select or create statements, and execute them using the extension's run command. Results show in a grid or output pane for quick inspection. Make sure to use transactions for multi-step changes so you can commit when ready. If performance lags, reduce result rows or enable pagination. Finish by validating and exporting your work. Run Pragma integrity check and schema to verify structure and catch issues, then export query results as CSV or JSON when you need to share data. Make sure to close connections when done to avoid file locks, and commit or vacuum if storage needs tuning. If something goes wrong, check that the SQLite 3 binary is in path, that no other process holds the DB file, and review the extension logs in the output panel for precise error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.